Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning vibration on or off on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you do or don't want your phone to vibrate when getting calls or texts, or want to turn haptic feedback on or off when typing, here is how to do it. Start by opening the Settings app. If you can't find the Settings app on your home screen, then it will be in the app drawer. In Settings, scroll down and select Sound and Vibration. Scroll down to the Vibrate section. Here you can enable vibration while ringing and vibration in silent mode by tapping the toggles. Below that, you can enable or disable haptic feedback from the touchscreen, and also adjust the level of vibration of the haptic feedback. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.